Welcome to Ngobo 2010 Shop iChannel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us grow. Thank you so much. Aitada. This is Ngobo 2010 Shop iChannel. We are here at Lucas Muripe Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns 7, Siwelele 4. My brother, how's it?
Good.
Good. What's your take on the game tonight?
Eh?
What's your take on the game tonight?
No, we played well. Mara, the defense was poor. Mara, the two players that carried the defense, Modawulu, Papatit. No, the play Siwelele, if you left fight, our level. Ramko, when we pitch him, Mola, Alfred to lose a badly defensive club. Celebrity, ba celebrate opela. So Aragra League, Mara, UKF Sundowns, Okado Sundowns UKF, or our reputation is strong. Yeah. 2-star Nyaga, Galaha, Uswillo fight. Next game, Tanzania win. No matter what, win or lose, Sundowns for life.
Number one. So tell me, do you think that the league is gone from the Sundowns perspective?
Maybe I sure. Like I said, win or lose the league, we're still Sundowns. So no team will do what Sun did.
Sundowns did,
Yes, winning the league 8 times in a row. There will be no team will ever do it again.
Exactly. Yeah.
So, the player for represent the badge, Sundowns for life, like I said.
Thank you, my brother.
Thank you.